shawty, hey darling, hey baby girl, so my private. Close your eyes, it's just me and you and nobody. They suck it sideways if we in public or the driveway. Baby girl, see.
Man, you know I was a player for you, maybe need to relax. You know that you gon' hate me if I get the plan.
What's up, y'all? It's Sierra Monet, aka Barbie Girl C, and I'm back again with another video. So today, if you can tell by the title, we are doing a hair tutorial, and this is going to be about my natural hair. It's not really a tutorial because this is my first time attempting this, and I just wanted to see how it's gonna work. So we gotta go from this to some nice wet looking, moisturized looking curls or whatever. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. In a second, I'll show you guys all the products that I'm using. Right now, I'm just sectioning off my hair, and we just gonna get right into it. This was super simple, super easy. A lot of products go into it, but I mean, whatever. Alright, so the products that I'm using, of course, we're going to use water. Then I made this little curl definer little thing. I don't even know what to call it, but I basically mixed shea butter, aloe vera, and coconut oil, and that's like a little DIY curl cream. If y'all want a detailed video, just let me know. I use a little bit of this curl cream too, and some Eco Styler gel. Keep your opinions to yourself about the Eco Styler. And also I used Got2b for my edges and jojoba oil. Y'all, if you want to get the wet look for real, it's really like a lot of oil. I didn't know what to say at that moment, but yeah, if you really want the wet look, you just gotta put, like, the oil will give it that shine and that wetness, so even when it's dry, it'll still look wet, if you get what I'm saying. And I barely use water because my hair is already stretched. My hair is dirty. I washed my hair probably like a week or two before I filmed this video. I don't really feel the need to actually wash my hair before I do this because I'm putting so much product in it. And I usually don't wash my hair, like, I wash my hair probably like twice a month maybe, but that's because I usually be wearing my wigs, y'all know. So yeah, basically all I'm doing is mixing all those products together, putting it in my hair, you know, all that good stuff. I just want to say that the ends of my hair is a little heat damaged, and also when I get towards the front, you'll see more heat damage in the front. But all I really did was scrunch it up and made it work, because that's all we can do. I actually like my heat damage part better than my non-heat damage part, but I'm not about to heat damage my whole hair just so this one style can look good. Like, no. But yeah, just keep on watching. I'm combing it through just so that way I can make sure the products are evenly distributed and my curls will be nice and defined. And if your hair is like harder to manage, I would use like a Denman brush or a Y2 comb. But once my hair is like wet, it's so easy. Like, yeah. So I'm pretty much doing the same exact thing that I've been doing throughout my whole head to the side, but I'm kind of like making it flatter to my head. so that way it can really look like a slick back type of wet look, if that makes any sense. Y'all can see what I'm doing for real, because me explaining it is so hard. It is so hard, man. So as y'all saw how I was scrunching it up and it starts to create little curls or whatever. I'm gonna do the other side and I'm just gonna let you guys watch because it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just basically watch and see what I'm doing. Literally just adding so much product to my hair, and it was really like I really hate product in my hair, but it turned out cute, so I'll make an exception, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to just take my toothbrush and my Got2b gel, and I'm just doing my edges. You gotta slick those down. Ignore my makeup because you know how that go. There's nothing I can do about it but fix my makeup after I do my baby hairs, honestly. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm putting my little edge control, my little Got2b gel on my edges, and then what I'm gonna do is lay it down with a scarf so that way the top can get really flat. I'm using a silk scarf at that, so that way my curls will be super sleek, shiny, flat, you know, all of that good stuff. So that's pretty much all the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, let me know, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces!
Fucking with no drama. He was tripping, so I hung out with his partner. Fucking good, introduced me to his mama.